Hello everyone, magandang buhay sa lahat. Welcome na welcome po kayo dito sa aking Mathematics Tagalog tutorial. Sa video na ito ay papaliwanag ko sa inyo on how to find the equation of a line given the x and y intercepts. So, paano po ba mag-determine ng equation of a line kapag ang given ay x-intercept at y-intercept? Okay? I'm going to discuss different examples. Find the equation of a line in standard form. Example number 1. If the x-intercept is equal to -8 and the y-intercept is equal to -4. So, yung x and y-intercept ay pareho pong negative. For number 2, ang x-intercept ay 5, ang y-intercept ay -2. So, different signs naman po ang given sa x and y-intercept. Okay? And for number 3 at number 4, ang given po ay in a form of ordered pair. Okay, so ito po bang ordered pair na ito ay x and y-intercept? Kasi ang title po ng ating lesson ay x and y-intercept. Yes. For example, ito sa number 3, ang point 1 natin ay -3, 0. Kapag ang value ng y is equal to 0, then the given value of x is the x-intercept. Okay? And for point 2, the given value of x is 0, then the value of y is the y-intercept. Okay, so we can use the x and y-intercept form in finding the equation of a line. And then we are going to write the equation of a line in standard form, ax plus by is equal to c. Okay, to determine the equation of a line given the x and y-intercept, we are going to use the formula intercept form. And what is this intercepts form? Ito po yon. X over a plus y over b is equal to 1. Wherein a is the x-intercept and b is the y-intercept. So in our formula, meron na po tayong x and y dito. Ito po yung magiging variable sa ating equation. Okay? Again, ang a po ay denominator ng x, kaya ang a po ay x-intercept. At ang b po ay denominator ng y, kaya ang b ay y-intercept. Okay? Now, we're going to apply this formula in finding the equation of a line. Okay, so let's try these examples. For number 1, what is the equation of a line whose x-intercept is 5 and y-intercept is 2? Okay, so the given there is in a form of sentence or in a form of question. So karaniwan po kasi sa mga question about this one equation of a line ay in a form of question. Kaya para hindi po kayo manibago, so ibibigay ko po yung possible question na ang hinahanap po ay equation of a line given the x and y intercept. So identify natin yung given. So the given here is x-intercept is 5. Okay, this one. And, okay, lagay ko po dito. Y-intercept is 2. So, y-intercept is equal to 2. Now, we are going to use the intercepts formula. So, x over a plus y over b is equal to 1. So, ang gagawin lang po natin, substitute lang po natin. So, x-intercept is 5. So, ang a po ang x-intercept. So, this will become x over a. A is x-intercept, so 5, plus y over b. B is y-intercept, so y-intercept is 2, so y over 2 is equal to copy 1. Okay, so ano pong gagawin natin to write in standard form that equation? Okay, ganito lang po yon. First, we're going to multiply the denominators. Okay, so what is 5 times 2 if you're going to multiply? 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Okay, so yung 10 po na yon, ang i-multiply po natin sa lahat ng terms na ito. So there are 3 terms, 1, 2, 3. So mag-multiply po tayo ng 10, ganito po yan, okay? So multiply tayo ng 10 sa first term, x over 5, then plus sa second term, y over 2, so 10 times y over 2, and then equals 1, so 10 times 1. Okay, next is that we are going to simplify, okay? For this term, okay, 10 divide natin sa 5. 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. So yung 2 na yun na quotient ay multiply natin sa x. So 2 times x is equal to 2x. Okay? And then dito naman sa second term natin, 10 divided by 2 is 5. Then multiply natin sa y, kaya 5y is equal to 10 times 1 is equal to 10. Notice here, yung ating first term ay positive. Then that will be the equation of a line in standard form. So ganito po yung standard form. Again, as I recall, ax plus by equals to c. So yung c po ay constant, ito po yung 10. So yung by po natin ay 5y, yung ax is 2x. Okay? To answer in sentence, thus the equation of the line is 2x plus 5y equal to 10. Okay? Okay, for number 2 example, what is the equation of a line whose x-intercept is negative 2 and y-intercept of negative 4? Okay, so again, the given there are the x-intercept. So identify the given. The x-intercept is negative 2, this one, and y-intercept is equal to negative 4. Okay, then substitute natin sa ating formula. Okay, ang tawag sa formula na ito ay intercepts form. Okay, so x over a plus y over b is equal to 1. So to substitute, this will become x over a is the x-intercept. So x-intercept is negative 2, kaya x over negative 2 plus y over b. So b is y-intercept. That is equal to negative 4, kaya y divided by negative 4. And then equal to copy 1. Okay, so this is now the equation. Then we are going to write it in standard form. Okay, so yan po yung ating standard form. Again, we are going to multiply the denominators. So negative 2 times negative 4. So we are going to multiply. So what is negative 2 times negative 4? That is equal to positive 8. So yung positive 8 na yon ang imumultiply po natin sa lahat ng terms dito. Okay, ito na po yon. So naglagay po ako ng space for multiplying positive 8. So this become, okay, first term, 8 times x over negative 2 plus second term, 8 times y over negative 4 is equal to c natin, 8 times 1. Okay, so to multiply, ganito lang po yung gagawin natin. Divide lang po natin sa denominator. So 8 divide by negative 2 is negative 4. Okay, baba ko po dito. 8 divided by negative 2 is negative 4 and then yung variable x kaya negative 4x and then plus 8 divided by negative 4 is negative 2 and then y kaya negative 2y is equal to 8 times 1 is 8. Okay, so this is our equation in standard form. But notice, yung first term natin, numerical coefficient of x is negative. Dapat po, gawin po natin yan na positive. So change all the sign of the terms from negative 4x to positive 4x plus negative 2y to positive 2y is equal to positive 8 to negative 8. Okay, so we have now 4x plus 2y is equal to negative 8. That is the equation in standard form. So to answer the question, thus the equation of the line is 4x plus 2y equals negative 8. Okay? For number 3 example, what is the equation of a line passing through points 2, 0 and 0, 6? Okay, so ang given po dito ay dalawang points. But notice sa ating point, ang partner ng ordered pair natin ay 0. That means, ang given po sa 2, 0, ang 2 po ay x-intercept because the value of y is 0. At dito naman sa 0, 6, ang 6 po ay y-intercept because the value of x is equal to 0. Okay, so identify po natin, the x-intercept is positive 2 and the y-intercept is positive 6. Okay, so we can use the intercepts form. But, kung ayaw po ninyong gamitin yung intercept form, since dalawa pong point ang given, pwede naman pong gamitin dito yung 2-point form. Okay? Pero kapag ang statement o yung question po ay we are going to calculate using intercepts form, dapat ito pong form na ito ang gamitin ninyo. Okay? So, substitute the given. So, this will become x over a. So, x and then what is a? X-intercept 2 kaya x over 2. Then plus copy y over b. So, y and then yung b po natin is y-intercept. So, 6. So, y over 6. And then equal to copy 1. Okay, so bigyan ko po kayo ng konting shortcut kung paano. Okay, so ito po ay kopyahin ko lang po dito. Ito pong number sa denominator ay i-multiply lang po natin pa-cross. Okay, so yung 6, ang partner po niya ay y, multiply natin sa x. Okay, kaya 6 times x is 6x. And then ito naman pong 2, partner ng x, multiply naman po natin sa y. So 2 times y is 2y. Okay, so this become, ganito po yun, ang shortcut natin. So x times 6, so 6x, and then plus 2 times y is 2y. Okay, ito na po yun, para ma-remove po natin yung denominator. Is equal to, bakit po may 12 doon? Multiply lang po natin, 2 times 6, 12, and then multiply natin sa 1. So 12 times 1 is equal to 12. So ilalagay na po natin yung 12 dito. So yan po yung medyo shortcut na pwede natin gawin para mas mapabilis po yung ating computation. Notice here, yung ating pong first term ay positive, then pwede na po yan na equation of a line. Okay? 6x plus 2y equals 12. In sentence, thus the equation of the line is 6x plus 2y equals 12. Okay, so how about this number 4 example? What is the equation of a line passing through points negative 3, 0, and 0, negative 1? So again, sa ating pong first point, bilugan ko po, negative 3, 0. So ang partner po ng negative 3 ay 0. So actually, ang negative 3 po ay x, ang y po ay 0. Okay? Ito naman, yung first number ay x, 0, at yung second number, negative 1, is y. So always po sa ordered pair, ang first number ay x followed by y. Ano po? Since ito po ang ordered pair ay negative 3, 0, 0 po ang y, then ang negative 3 po ang x-intercept. Okay? At ito naman pong 0, negative 1, yung 0 ay x, then negative 1 is the y-intercept. Okay? So x-intercept negative 3, y-intercept negative 1. So we are going to calculate or find the equation of a line using this intercepts form. Okay? So substitute lang po natin. So this become x over a. So x divided by a is x-intercept negative 3, kaya x over negative 3 plus y over b. So again, b is y-intercept. Ang y-intercept is negative 1. So y divided by negative 1 is equal to, just copy 1. Okay? So shortcut po natin yung ating computation. Okay, lagay ko po dito sa my right side. So dito po, cross-multiply lang po natin ito. So x times negative 1 is, baba ko po dito, x times negative 1, negative 1x. And then, dito naman po sa y, negative 3 times y is negative 3y. So this is plus, so you write plus here. Okay? Is equal to, multiply natin yung denominators, negative 3 times negative 1, positive 3 po ito. Okay? Again, negative times negative is positive. 3 times 1 is 3. Kaya positive 3 po ang sagot ito. And then multiply natin sa 1. 3 times 1 is equal to 3. Okay, so that is your equation in standard form. But notice here, meron tayong negative 1 sa numerical coefficient ng x. So dapat yan po ay positive 1. So change the sign, all the terms, from negative 1x to positive x. Okay? Yung 1 po, you can remove 1. And then plus negative 3y, change the sign, positive 3y, is equal to positive 3, change the sign, negative 3. So we have now x plus 3y is equal to negative 3. Okay, so that will be your equation now. Okay? To answer in sentence, thus the equation of the line is x plus 3y is equal to negative 3. Okay, to end up the lesson, let's try this activity. So let's see how you understand the lesson. For activity A, find the equation of the line given intercepts. Okay, for number 1, find the equation of the line in standard form passing through points 0, 7, and negative 2, 0. And for number 2, find the equation of the line in standard form whose x-intercept is 5 and y-intercept is negative 6. Okay? So baka pwede po ninyong i-post yung video na ito. Try to find the equation and then pa-share naman po yung inyong sagot by just typing your answer in the comment section below. Okay? Salamat sa panonood mga anak. I hope natuto po kayo sa aking simple discussion. See you on my next video lesson.